Let's get back at good old money. We'll do 5-cent denom too. I like 5-cent denom. That's fun. $1 spin, $5. 3 games. Take it. 5-cent denom, so let's see what we got here. Let's hope to get one of the green guys, right? So we wanted, here we go. Give me another one. Oh, I said double pop it. Give me a double. That's what we wanted right there. And a little bit of line pay. Alright. Come on, diamonds. Oh, $50. Oh yes, yes, yes. Oh my God, fuck yeah. 150. Six spins with 2 to go. Has potential to be really big. More diamonds. Oh, dead spins suck. Come on, diamonds. Three diamonds, 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 diamonds. Oh, 3. No more dead spins. We need diamonds. Give me diamonds. Oh, wow. 4 in a row, no diamonds. That's gross. Come on, diamonds. One more. Oh, yes. Hell yeah. Just making him go big. I'm on 5-cent denom, so it's pretty good. I think that's, what's that? So 5 cents, that's what? 400? Trying.
Get all of it. Somebody's eating over here.
It's alright. Oh, I got one more spin. Hell yeah. Come on, give me something big here. One more. One more. It's an early. I can get out here so early now. I don't have to stay very long. I ain't gonna let it go very long. Came in with 100 in here. 518. Maybe we'll do one more backup spin and get the hell out of here. Oh, I still got spins. You did? Damn. Oh, hold on. Oh.
I know that's right.
Let's go. I need to get the major. That's what I need. We aren't going anywhere yet, I guess. Huh? There you go. I never hit the jack. I don't even know what the jackpot does. What's it do? Do you know? This thing is spinning so fast. There we go. Come on, give me a green. Diamond. We need one diamond. Diamond, diamond, diamond. That hurts. Come on. got 2 more games, 2 more free games. $1,594. That's all right. All right, so we went in with 100, walked out with 662. Mo Mummy, love that game. We'll take it. Quick, literally been here for 5 minutes. I'm getting out of here.